What's happening, Bulls members? Premium prophecy is fulfilled. Wearing something else. Been gone. It's good weather at the moment in sunny Sunshine Coast, Queensland. What's happening? Let's talk a little bit more deep about where the market is, where the prices are. A little bit of quick charting. Trying to take too long because, as you know, I ramble, but hopefully you find value in that because I do. We'll get to that, what I was going to say. We'll look at now top cryptos categories by market cap. So where's the money flowing into right now? I hadn't checked this. Cat theme coin, meme coin, dog theme coins. Meow. Elon Musk inspired coins. Like we talked about earlier. Crap. Theta ecosystem is WETH. Theta Fuel, Theta Network, they're performing well. So that's Theta. Real is computing power and video systems, Discord bots. So just looking at where the categories, the reason I'm showing you this is something for you to maybe potentially look, see where the money's flowing, seeing what's trending. We know obviously GameFi gaming, and which probably where is that? GameFi gaming blockchains pretty low at the moment down here. GameFi pretty low total gains. So where the attention goes, the money flows. Remember that one? Because it's very much true. So just sort of like when you start hearing a lot of people talking about certain things, make sure you pay attention if it's coming up over and over and over again. Because let's just back engineer a position that you've probably been in, okay? So you hear about something, you hear about something, you hear about something. You kind of consider it, but you kind of don't. In hindsight, you considered it, but at the time you didn't actually consider it that much. And then all of a sudden it's up 10x and you're like, oh, I was gonna buy that, or I was thinking about doing that, but like really you weren't that much. Like just remember how that goes. You hear about things, you hear about a coin, price isn't moving that much, or it's moved a little bit, it's up 20%. You think, oh, it's too high. It goes up another 200. It wasn't really too high. Buy high, sell higher. It's very true in an uptrend. Buy high, sell higher. It's always good to get the pullbacks. My timing with my trades that I've posted lately and even in person sometimes is off, especially with, you might see the Giga Chad post in the Trade Ideas channel. I will admit, nobody's perfect. I am excitable, and that is something that I'm working on. But like, for example, the Pixel trade, need to wait a little bit further with that. Tier trade, could have waited a little bit, got a better entry. It went down first a fair bit before it went up. Stuff like that. So I'm personally excitable to share something that I'm gaining conviction on, but I'm best off being patient and waiting and then posting something that you might be able to share. But anyway, back to it. Those moments that you've shared with friends where you're like, oh man, I heard about this coin, I was going to do it. Like you hear about a coin and then maybe you see it in our channel and then you hear it at work and then you hear it from another friend. Those are the ones like the Shibas. Like how many people heard about Shiba or Cum Rocket or Safe Moon? Remember those if you're around? Remember how like you hear about it and then you hear about it and then you're like, I missed it. And then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna. And then you didn't and then you didn't and then you didn't. And it's done like an 80x since you first heard about it. So just remember the qualities that happen in those moments where you first hear about something. Does this have pumpermentals? Can this thing be pumped? Does it have the same qualities as ones before? Don't keep hearing about things and then telling yourself that you're going to get into it when you really weren't, or whatever sort of excuse that your brain and your ego are going to make for you, okay? It's you versus you. In this game, let me tell you a secret. It's you click buy, and then later you click sell. It's the easiest thing known to mankind. You click 2 buttons, you make potentially life-changing money. Why isn't it easy? Everything in between, and that is all in your noggin. You versus you. It's the emotions. I can highly recommend the book, or even better, the audio book, or even not better but equal, is Mark Douglas. The book is Trading in the Zone, and what is equal is also, there's a lot of content about it on YouTube. So just 1 second, I'll just show you. There's a lot of seminary things that he did. Douglas, I'll just show you. Psychology, just so you know what you're looking for. See this guy with these things? Like these are, if you feel like you're having trouble with your psychology when it comes to trading, look at this, an hour video of the best in the business. Hour 45, best in the business. These are all playlists. This is what is potentially your problem. This is what's going on if you're having trouble with it, all right? Because it's just buying and it's just clicking. It's just 2 clicks. Anyways, we'll move on from that. If you got something from this, 1 inch, I'll have to post that. TP3, you know the process. You've seen what happens. Got alerts, got my big list of alerts, things post, TP, take profit manually. These are all the take profits in the Telegram group are things that are in like places that I've deemed, like we pay money for these traders. They send us a trade and then that's it. Less communication, the better at times. They send us the trade and we record it. You know, they throw us a bone and we don't tell them how good it tasted. We just give them, I just pay them. That's it. So I post I personally put the TPs. Okay. So I'm just a man with experience, but maybe you might find a better TP. You might find a better time than I think there's like 40, maybe even 50 active trades going, or between 30 and 50 active trades going, which is where it usually sits at. So I've got a lot. If you're just in one of those 2 trades, maybe you might find time to study a better TP for those trades than what I am coming up with. And I'll show you an example of how I come up with them. Okay, let's fucking find... Here we go. Have a look at this. Doge. This was a trade I posted. Get out of this. There's a trade I posted. Boom, this is how it is. I set alerts. This was the minus 20% stop loss that would have closed the trade and deemed it as a loss. This is the one that I'm dragged up. And see where I'm looking? I've just dragged it up. See, you can see like resistance. See how there's a lot of price action here? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, bust up, but boom, 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 boom. Try to, boom. Places with a lot of action. That's where the price gets magnetized to. It'll probably top here for a bit. It will go boom, and then fucking, and then fucking, like that. And then you go, that sort of shit. So resistances and supports are there to be broken temporarily, and they deem for really good entries and really good exits. So that's where I got the next one. I've posted 2 TPs. I was going to put one here because, as you can see, there's a bit of resistance going on. But I wanted to go for a bit higher because, you know, the TP3 is sort of the end target. So yeah. Anyways, what's Bitcoin doing? Fuck hell. Where is? Oh yeah, look at that. You'd be fucked to think that these ranges don't work. We drew this range, obviously. So look at it in colors. You can see, so the range order: red, green, green, white, yellow, yellow, red. Up there, up here. So that is the order. So you can see that shit. That's the G box. So again, even when we're drawing this range before the price even come here, okay? So comes up, bases at the best buy area, peak buy area of our range, as we know, as always, as was down here, as was down here, up in there, like these ranges are just drawn on previous price action. When it moves up into price discovery, no more ranges, bro. Not like this anyway. We're just blessed to have a comparison where we can just easily just go, oh yeah, sweet, drag it along. So this is easy. This is like a good. So good, great, excellent. So good place to short or take profit. So most likely bull run, take profit. not really that confident in shorting it right now, but this is typically a good area where it can potentially go down. If it goes like this, that's a great area to short or take profit. If it goes like this is an excellent area to short or take profit, because that is previous all-time highs. And then if it goes then we're fucking breaking all-time highs right there, and we'll be approaching this with a different attitude. So just last thing would be just touching on the strategy that I've been working on tirelessly, and my brother's helping me with getting all the stats for, which is BBWP. So just to briefly touch over this sort of shit, okay? So we've got stats, and we're gathering stats. So on the 30-minute charts, what I've been focusing, my brother's been working the daily, the 12-hour, but I'm going to get him all focused on the 30-minute. We're going to go all hard on the 30-minute chart, because that's the best way you can get like the average moves are like half a day to a day and a half of a trade. So 30 minutes is a good time frame to trade. 15-minute might even be better. So volatility, just to explain it again, volatility is direction neutral. This is the BBWP. So when it's contracting, when it's going sideways, it's about to expand. Something big is about to happen. And then when there's yellow and red, something big is happening. As you can see here, you can see price before it goes up, it typically squeezes and then pops. I'll bring up the stats for you. So this is, as you can see, this is the back testing that I've been doing. Might not look like a whole lot, but this is 16, and then I've got 20 shorts. So let me give you just a quick example for this. Okay, when the 30-minute chart is just a little taste tester, I'll do this properly well presented, but we've got 18 modules in the courses on the website now, so that'll keep you busy for a little bit. With this strategy, it's looking very good because it's based on a direction neutral strategy, and then all we need to do is follow the trend and the momentum and we'll kill it. So just to run you through this real quick, this is what real trading looks like. It's duration, so the average duration you can see there of the trade till it hits the first take profit, 3 hours, 18 hours, 21 hours. The average take profit 1%, drag it all down, combine it, 2.2%, highest peak of the move, average 5%. So you can imagine these compounded with a bit of leverage. So this is a very interesting point that I just wanted to show you right here is this. So head fake, 57% chance. There's a 57% chance, and none of these are over 2%. So what that means, so a head fake. So when volatility contracts and squeezes, so far on the longs, there's a 57% chance that it'll go down first like this before it goes up. And this is when you load up the bags. In all 35 instances that I've recorded whilst backtesting this, it has never gone down further than 2% before it goes up, or vice versa. It's never gone up 2%. So that gives you a 2% stop loss, and that gives you a 2% area to load up your bags and set buy orders or shorts. So for example, let's just go blue bar right here, okay? It's blue bar, bang, drag it down. Look at that, 1.65%. I haven't even measured this one yet. This has just happened. This is a big move that happened, okay? You get a blue bar, you get a signal, you enter on the blue bar. I'll tell you more about it, but what you can do, okay? What you can do is you can get the BBWP indicator. I'm not going to talk about take profits and stop losses and get too far into the strategy because this video will go far too long. It's gone too long already. But when you get the BBWP indicator, you set your settings to that and that. Feel free to pause it. And when you get blue bars on any time frame, bigger the better, like this, blue bars on a 12-hour time frame, little head fake down, comes down first, and then it goes massive move, 20-something% Bitcoin. This all started from a big high priority, high time frame blue bar. So you just go on indicators, you type in BBWP, you change the settings to what I had, you go to caretaker one, Bollinger Band with percentile of the caretaker, you click on that, this comes up, you change the settings to what I want and what I had, and you look for these blue bars. When a blue bar's coming, when a blue bar happens, a big move is coming. All right, I'll leave you with that. When a blue bar happens, a big move is most likely coming. So this will stop people like me for wasting time getting in trades where there's no big move coming. Okay. Very, very powerful. This is the #1 indicator in the world, I think. Honestly, this is it, and what makes it so special is it's direction neutral. So it's what it is timing. It's timing and it's size of move. You can see how this is such a big move and it's so real red up here and real high in the extremes. So as you can see, as a bull trend grows, or as any trend grows, the moves get bigger, the moves get more volatile. So you might see now from here, you could see fucking like a minus 15% pullback, which we haven't really had much of. Like volatility works both ways. Huge swings up, huge swings down. Things are going to start getting a lot more volatile soon. Okay, so keep that in mind. Take it easy, peace and love. I've got a couple of Tradingview modules coming out hopefully tomorrow, so that'll be good. Talk in the chat. Refer any friends. Get your $50 Bitcoin sent to you. Help us out. We're keen to grow, but you know, obviously I'm just busy making modules and stuff. So if you can spread the word about the group, get people to join in on the chat. Look at this, ready? You just go, watch this. Show your friends and show them all the gains in the, show them all the gains in this group, man. This group is insane. This is insane. Like nobody's getting that shit. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 green, 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 green. This MF don't miss. Boom, green. Like just show them that. Get $50 referral Bitcoin. I'll send it to you, or I'll get the admin lady, the beautiful admin lady, to send it to you. But you just go into the Blockchain Bulls chat. All right, Blockchain Bulls. Oh, you can't see it, but I'll show you. Blockchain Bulls chat. All right, and then up here, you can see that. Hopefully you can. And then you press share link, and that comes up. You just get your friend to look, put his phone camera on that, and he'll send him straight to this group, free. Blockchain Bulls chat, free. We want more brains, more ideas, and we'll go from there. Peace and love. Talk to you soon. But you only get the referral. You only get the Bitcoin if they sign up as a member. Yeah, I'm running a business and whatever. You know how it is. All right, take it easy. Have a great weekend. Talk soon.